Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of it's Thursday January the 27th 2022. Yes, we have here one regular Sudoku, and it's Medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, and so 5 puzzles I will do, and those are the 3 and the 4 stars Sudokus. Tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a killer Sudoku. Yes. But first, we will solve this medium Sudoku. And what's the news in today's newspaper? Well, I see here the Winter Olympics in Beijing is coming. So those Dutch skaters, sporters, are going to Beijing for the Winter Olympics. So that's the daily news, and I believe there are few of them few of them has corona, so it will be difficult to go there because there's no zero tolerance COVID for COVID, yes, for corona, so it will be difficult for them. Okay, but first we will solve this maybe number 4037, and this puzzle has 27 printed digits. 27 is is an indication of the difficulty level. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, in additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, my time limit should be faster than 50 minutes for 1 star. Yes, for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes, but for 1 star, 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the number? The number 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 7. Should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about how about um how about I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Shoot there. Then 4 in this row. 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay, hey. Then. How about the number? I'm thinking. We have a pair. We have a 2 and an 8 in the last column. A 2 and an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Okay. How about the number? I'm thinking. Yeah. We have here in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers of 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3 and number 9. Then. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. Then. 2. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be 8 too. 2. 2. How about the number 1. Yeah, I'm thinking 1, 5, 6. 6. No. Thinking. 1 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, we see here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1. I should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this column for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the number 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5, let me mark those, 6 and the 5. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and a 6. 3. Yeah, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. And 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Do we have all the 4s? Yeah, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number. Oh, we already have a 4 here. I made a mistake. Double 4. So this number should be not 2 and a 4, but 2 and a 5 are missing. We have a 5 here, so this box can be 5. Or did I make here a mistake? No. I made a mistake here, I believe. This should be a 2. Yeah. Could be happen. And this box should be a 5. 5. Yeah. Okay. So So 5, 5, 5, yes. So this should be a 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5, there 5 should be here. This should be a 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. First row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 2 goes there. Alright. So now, 6, 3. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Now I have all the 8s, yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. 6 and a 5. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 5. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle columns of that column. The column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So now we have 2 missing numbers. No. 163, 163, yes. 3 missing numbers in the third column, row. 163, 163 are missing. Here 63, here 1, 6. But in the middle column we have a 1 and a 6. So in this box can be 1 or a 6. So 1 digit left should be a 3. So now 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. And the 5. No. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6 and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes, so cannot be pleased with the time, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, in the evening I will continue, so later on. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Thursday. And who knows, we will meet again later on with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.